Essentially what photography is going to allow me to do is to slow down my shot selection and get better compositions. I'm not sure if that's going to be the final result of me doing these photography sessions, but I'm going to try. And if it doesn't, then so be it. I'll just drop photography altogether. I didn't particularly care for it anyway. But seeing that I picked it up over the past couple weeks, I do feel like sort of a passion behind it, I guess. I do feel that it's slowing down my creative process advantageously so that in the end, hopefully I can get better composed shots. After all, filmmaking is about trying different things just to see if it improves your overall ability or expertise in that any one given area. So essentially what I'm gonna be doing is taking you on a street photography walk here on Guam. If you haven't been here before, then just Google it. Some say it's paradise and some say it's hell. In either case, it is sunny and beautiful. I plan on doing most of these shots in black and white anyway because I'm really looking for high contrast scenes, so the white balance really isn't particularly a huge issue for today's walk and talk or walk and shoot, whatever you want to call it. But I will show you guys what some of these shots look like in full color just so you guys know how the auto white balance works on the 77D. You know, slowing down for a better composed shot and not settling for something that's mediocre is what I'm going for today's kind of walkthrough street photography session. I'm only taking one shot, so it's not like I can just delete the photo and recompose it and retake it. And so it's kind of a close-ended challenge for myself just to see what kind of shots I do come up with. I'm going to be sharing every single shot with you, so unless it looks good or bad either way, you guys are going to see it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about some of these composures and some of these shots that I'm getting, man. ended on that shot because I felt that that shot was the dopest, which is right back there. I don't know, man. It just felt like really moody, felt like really isolated. So I've noticed most of you guys that watch my videos here on YouTube aren't actually on Guam. So I figured I would just kind of do a short little walkthrough of like the main area of Guam. This is kind of like the touristy area, kind of where everyone goes. If you were to come to Guam, this is probably where you would start out, and then you'd probably venture out and do like, you know, the hiking and the parasailing and the trail. They have like vehicles that like go on trails and shit like that. Well, if you do decide to visit Guam and you're black, you'll probably end up here or here, of course, depending on what time it is. And if you're white, you'll probably end up here. I'm just saying. In either case, Guam is pretty much the only place on earth where you could get invited to a family barbecue and eat the best food in your life, or you could get your ass beat at a stoplight. Either way, I think you're gonna have a blast.